Hey guys, so today I'll show you guys how to turn on a diffuser from Young Living. First, once you put it on, all you gotta do is assemble both of these, but you don't gotta do that yet. Put her here.
As you can see clearly, there's a little line right there. So you gotta fill up the water to that line.
Go. And once you do that, you gotta take your drops.
So here, I'm just using my favorite drops. You can mix them. You can also use one.
So we gotta do 4 or how many? So we're gonna do 4 of the one that you want the most to have effect on. Oh, 5. So we're gonna put 5. Let's put 1 drip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. Then here we got our lemon citron. Open it up. Then we're gonna put some, how many again?
So for true like 2 of those like thingies, you gotta do 5 for each of them. And if you're only doing one, you gotta only do 10 or 7, whichever you want.
So I'm gonna open this later, but can you put that right over there and then plug it in so I can show them how many hours they are. Hold on guys, I'm just gonna go. Okay, so once you got this on, you put on this. And right here is the power button. If you press it once, there'll be 5 hours. If you press it twice, it'll be 8 hours. And then press it 3 times, so give it 10 hours. If you want to turn it off, just wait until it turns off. So
one press equals 5 hours.
5 hours.
And
twice,
2 presses equals 8 hours, and 3 presses will calculate to 10 hours. If you want to turn it off, just click it again, wait till it stops.
So, 5 hours, you can change the light right here. There's about 10 different lights that you can choose from.
There's also this one where you got the color changing lights.
You change your thing right here, and you want to get rid of it fast. Just gotta hold it for 3 seconds, and the light is off. And that's how you open a diffuser from Young Living. And I hope you enjoy this video, and like and subscribe.
Disclaimer, I don't own the Young Living diffuser. Please support Young Living at youngliving.com.